Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I am back with another try on haul for the fall featuring Cupshe. So big shout out to Cupshe for partnering with me on today's video to share with you guys some of their newest launches for fall / winter, if you will. They have some super cute stuff, and I'm excited to share with y'all what I picked up. As always, they are gracious enough to provide us with a coupon code, which is LOVEKELLY. That will save you 15% off your order of $65 or more, or 20% off of your order of $109 or more. Their app is my favorite way to shop because I just feel like it's really easy to go through all of their new arrivals, and the way it's set up I really enjoy. So if you haven't tried out Cupshe, they have a little bit of everything. They've really stepped up their clothing game in the last couple of years. I think they're most known for their swimwear, but they have so many other things. So I love continuing to do hauls with them even into the fall and winter season because their sweaters are really great, and some of my favorites that I've had for years now, and you cannot beat their prices. Their prices are super affordable, as well as with the stacked coupon codes. They also do amazing collaborations, which I think is really fun because you get a little bit more different trendy pieces as well. So let's jump in. I got a lot of sweaters because I'm a sweater girl. So let's start with cardigans first because I do have those on top, and then we'll kind of just trickle down with what I have. But I got some coats and good stuff, so stick around, and I will have all the details in the description box down below, sizing and all the exact links to the items. Okay, first sweater, I own nothing like this. I love this blue. I think it's beautiful, and I also feel like it will be great in spring as well. So just a piece that will kind of last you through the next couple of seasons. I love the textured look of this sweater. It's got a couple different blues and some whites heathered throughout it, and the buttons is what really sold me. I love the square detail of the button and kind of like this mother pearl detail with gold on it. I think this is perfect. Again, I will have all my sizes down below, but I typically get it between a medium, small medium. But I like my cardigans like this to fit a little bit more oversized. So I think this is gonna look great with jeans tucked all the way up. It'll look great with skirts, silk pants, all of the above. Just adorable. Like, are you kidding? This blue, it's everything. And this button detail is really fun. Cool. Next cardigan I have here, this button detail is just kind of plain. It's sort of like a milky, I don't know, it's kind of like a swirly sort of thing, but a really good red cardigan. I have a cardigan like this from Old Navy, but it's more fitted, where I wanted something a little more oversized as well. I love red in the fall and winter. I think it was trendy a lot in the last couple of years, but I don't think it's really going anywhere. I feel like it screams holiday season, and I love it. So this is very much so oversized, exactly what I wanted. I'm pretty sure I got this in a large, but again, I'll have all the detailing in the description box down below. This is a very traditional fit of a cardigan, a little bit of a balloon sleeve, where you have like a little tighter at this, but a little bit ballooned. Just a great sweater to throw over the shoulders, to wear all the way buttoned up, to wear the white top underneath. Adorable. Okay, this next sweater that I saw, I thought was really cool. I feel like the buttons almost look like the world, like the globe. I don't know, they're kind of cool. Big, chunky, thick buttons. And I love the detailing on the bottom of this, where it's a little more cinched, and there's no button at the very bottom, so it kind of gives like a beveled out look. These look great just on their own. I think I did show a t-shirt underneath this, but this looks great as like a top on its own instead of like layered. It looks great layered too, but it looks great like as like a nicer sweater top with just jeans and some cute little kitten heels. Adorable. I like the gold buttons a lot. Again, sort of has that balloon cinched sleeve at the bottom here, but this panel at the bottom is just really fitted and flattering, with more of like a looser fit on top. But this is great for like one of those, like I said, like a going out top, but make it sweater, which I feel like I need more sweaters like this in my wardrobe. I have a lot of really good basics, just plain simple crew necks, but something like this is more of a statement. It's really great for especially Texas like winters, because falls and winters, because it's not like super cold, so you can get away with just wearing that as a top, and I love. This sweater I thought was really fun. Okay, anytime I see something Argyle like this, I just think of Gossip Girl, but I love the coloring on this a lot, and I love the zipper on it. I like this big chunky collar. I like that you can wear this completely open or zipped up. I would probably wear it open with like a t-shirt or a tank underneath. The way that this zipper is, like there's overlay over the zipper to kind of hide the zipper, so you can wear it as like a full sweater and not see the zipper as much. This I think is just super cool as like a thrown on sort of statement sweater, again with just like a white tee and jeans. I thought would be adorable, and I love the red, navy, and tan. Super cute for the fall season, and it's very thick. Okay, next up with sweaters. You guys know I'm all about mohair. Like I want everything in mohair. I have a similar sweater to this from last season in black. It has the bow little brooches on it, but theirs are rhinestones. Well, my previous one was rhinestones. This one has little pearls on it, which is super cute. These little brooches are removable, but there's also snap buttons as well. So you don't have to like, there we go. You don't have to like undo a brooch every time you need to undo your sweater. But I thought this was so cute, and I love the mohair texture to it is adorable, and anything chocolate brown I think is super cute. So this is very girly. If you're a girly girl, you will definitely really like this. And I think the brooches are cool because you can kind of take them off and use them with other things as well. But I like that you also have like a fully functioning sweater with them or without them, and you don't have to like undo the brooches to get in and out of the sweater. But it's super cute, little v-neck. Perfect little fall mocha sweater. All right, let's finish with sweaters. In the same kind of print as the other one, a little bit different. Again, this is one of the most popular styles, I feel like, for this season, is the polo style with the little V. Again, Argyle, not the same. It's got a little bit of difference, you can tell. I like the stripes on this one. But this is just a solid sweater. Again, I got this oversized because I knew I wanted it very slouchy big. I think this is a really cool design that will be insanely popular for the fall season, and I love the pops of chocolate brown on the collar as well. That style is going to be everywhere this fall, like that polo style. I just think it's really like, I don't know, cool. I think it's very cool. Next up, I grabbed this. This is just a really chunky, like kind of turtleneck, but not super like turtleneck, cowl neck, that's what the name is. It's got these sort of like triangle details on it that go down the sleeve as well. Just big, chunky, oversized, perfect, like caramely sort of color for the fall. I think you just need a sweater like this. It's comfy, it's cozy, put it on with jeans, and then you're comfortable, you're cozy. I would pair a white tee underneath it because the neck is kind of enough where you would see the white tee underneath it. So very cute, and like that the sleeves are a little bit cuffed as well. I like that detail. Let's move on to the two dresses that I grabbed. You guys know I've been loving Cupshe dresses. I fell in love with them over the summer, and then when I saw these two styles, I was like, these are really cool. So I love this sort of like patchwork style collar. This is like a shirt dress. The buttons are kind of this like knitted look to it as well. So this is again with the polo style, long sleeve, like kind of midi dress. It's like this ribbed, stretchy material, but I love the color. This would be super cute for the workplace with just like a slick back bun. I would get these in black. I need to get these in black. With this, done, game over. So adorable, so perfect, and you can't go wrong with black and white. I feel like it's just such a good color combination, and this would look adorable with boots or flats is probably how I would wear it. But I love the patchwork style of that. Not patchwork, I don't know how to explain it. I don't know what it's called. The piping detail, the stitching, I like it. I liked it so much, I also grabbed it in the shirt. So this color can be a little iffy on me. I can wear it more in the beginning of fall when I still have a little bit of a tan, but I feel like it can wash me out when I'm a little more this color because it can give ishy nakey, you know? But again, I love the stitching detail. It doesn't pop as much on the cream as it does on the black, but you can see again, same button detailing. Just a long sleeve, little stretchy ribbed tee as well with the fun neckline. This is again really cute, especially if you're more like tan, deeper olive skin tones. I think this would look really good. Oh shoot, I forgot the other dress that I had. All right, pivot. This, so cute. It's a teeny bit short on me, I'm not gonna lie to you, but I love it. Okay, I love it. Anything gingham, I love anything smocked. I love anything with this little bubble poof sleeve, anything drop waist, give it all to me. It's so adorable. With dark brown boots, game over. Obsessed. Love, love, love. Again, with this smocked, it's kind of a little bit short. I'm not gonna lie. So if you're like in between sizes, just size up because it'll give you more length. And this is already cinching as it is, you know what I mean? So it's like, you have like room for this, but this is by far like my favorite pattern, texture, style, all the trends all in one. I know I'm gonna wear this a ton, and I love the little sleeves as well. This is so freaking cute. Just a wee bit short, so size up for some extra length if you are interested. All right, let's finish off with tops and then move into the 3 coats that I grabbed. This top I thought would be a really cool like night out sort of top. So it's just plain boat neck, chocolatey brown, but then it has this wrap detail down at the bottom here that I feel like I would tuck this part in and then let this out to some really dark skinny jeans, not even skinny, straight leg jeans. But it's got this metal like brooch thing here with like this dangler. So cute. I think I tried it on with like loose wearing pants, but I would probably go with more of like a fitted style for this, but this is just so sleek and elegant. Reminds me of something Abercrombie would sell, very stretchy. And I love this chocolate tea brown. It's not as like deep chocolate, it's almost like a terracotta brown, but really cute. And then last top I grabbed was this. Again, this color can sort of wash me out, so yeah, while I'm tan I can still wear it a little bit, but I love the black striped details on it, and it's again got that polo sweater style. This is definitely way more fitted, so it would be great for an office wear with like black trousers or something like that. Pretty cute. And I like the detailing on the sleeve as well. Okay. Next up, we have this sort of like wool, like quilt, or not quilt, cloth style coat. I feel like these were really popular last year, and I feel like they're going to continue to be popular again this year. This has got like this chocolate brown, like leather, pleather, whatever, piping detailing on it, which I think is super cute. It's kind of like something you can wear open or keep it crossed. It does have little pockets at the bottom, and then a wrap style around the waist as well. You could wear this as a full outfit too. You don't have to wear it just as a coat with like a white tee underneath and wrap it around, and it's like the whole look in itself. Like if you're going someplace where you don't want to take your coat off, this could work. It's not too heavy. I feel like this would keep you warm but not like sweating, because it's not super thick. It's not lined or anything. It's kind of just how it is. But I feel like these jackets are really popular, and I love that wrap sort of crisscross look. And it's not too long. It's kind of like the perfect shirt length in my opinion. Okay, next up is this one. This is like a plaid, almost like a trench. I will say this is not double lined, so it's very thin. You would wear this as just like an overlay. You're not getting any warmth out of this, almost like a duster cardigan in jacket form, if you will. I did really like the pattern on this, and it does have buttons. It does have the tie around the waist, but this is, like I said, not lined or anything like that. Mostly just like for decoration, or like a decorative piece, like a cape, like a poncho, like duster sort of cardigan thing. Just add like texture and an element of interest to your outfit. And then last but not least, I grabbed a trench coat. So trench coats can be insanely expensive, and I've bought reasonably priced ones before, and I feel like the quality is not as good. This one is really good quality for the price. I will say it is lined inside, which is nice. I feel like it has the good details. Pockets are fully functioning. It's got the button details on the top. It has all this like buttons and strap detailing around the arms, the lapel here, and then it has a strap in the, it has a strap to go around the waist too, which I lost somewhere. Oh, it's on the ground over there, but you know what I mean? So you can tie it around. And it also has a flap in the back. I feel like this is very well made, but again, if you're in like a really cold place where you want a fully like functioning jacket that's going to keep you super warm, this is not going to be it. But this is something that's going to give you the look of a trench coat. It's much better made than like a lot of trench coats on the market, but for a reasonably affordable price. Like I bought one from Old Navy a while ago. It was not nearly as good a quality, and it was in the same price point. So absolutely love this for the price point. A really great stylish trench coat. That was my first official Cupshe fall haul for the season. I hope you guys enjoyed. A lot of great sweaters. If you are looking for sweaters and coats at an affordable price, definitely check Cupshe out. I will have all the details in the description box down below. And again, don't forget to use code LOVEKELLY, and that will save you 15% off $65 or 20% off $109 or more. I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching, and a big shout out to Cupshe for partnering with me on today's video.